Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello Team Bella and welcome to the channel. I'm Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with my vertical plan with me for the week of July 5th through the 11th. If you enjoyed the video, please remember the 3 things. Make sure you like, don't forget to comment, and I would love to invite you to be a member of Team Bella. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button below this video, and don't forget about the notification bell. Okay, so I am going to be using stickers from the Garden Be Happy box, the latest Be Happy box that we received. I noticed that I had never used these stickers, and I was like, what is going on? Why have I not used the stickers? I also combined it with stickers from the Minimalist sticker book as well. So those are the 2 sticker books I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to start my sidebar, and I might have to white out a part of it just because I don't want it to show through the sticker. I'm going to move this sticker all the way kind of up top here. All right, so it just says this week, and it's in that beautiful like light minty earthy green. So we're gonna put that there, and then I thought I would use this sidebar sticker, and it says stay consistent with, so it's a habit tracker, and I wanted to add that terracotta colored in there. And then the sticker that I chose as kind of our quote of the week, the sticker that I wanted to put as our kind of focus sticker or quote of the week is this sticker that says blossom wherever life plants you, and tells you to go with the flow. So that's our sidebar. And then we're going to start with a to-do list on Monday. Now, I'm off on Monday. I think most people are for the 4th of July holiday. So I'll make sure I put this here. Just going down a little crooked. And I apologize. I am actually recording this on the 4th of July. So you know what time it is with the fireworks. Okay. And then I wanted to put this sticker that says, take note, here. Now I found this beautiful, it's like a scene picture, it's a double box. And I'm trying to incorporate other parts of this sticker throughout the spread. So we're gonna lay that right here on Tuesday into Wednesday. Okay. And then I like the sticker that said, belief in yourself. Just to cover this saying, quote up down here. And grabbing this white gel pen to see if I can just cover that up. If not, let it dry a little bit, and then I will. We'll go ahead and grab this. Okay. All right, very good. And then I thought it would be cute to put this sticker that says bloom, baby bloom. So I'm going to, and I am going to need my gel pen to cooperate, even though oftentimes it does not want to. Okay, let's swap that gel pen out. Grab this one. Yeah, I don't know what causes these gel pens to get a little crazy with me, but we're going to cover this up because the sticker is clear and I don't want the line to show in between my sticker. All right. So I like these little subtle touches of gold, just hints of gold in here. So actually I'm gonna put the sticker down and then I'm going to put that there. So this says Bloom Baby Bloom, and we are going to grab it. All right, and then there will be a portion that I'm going to cut off. All right, so kind of here, Bloom Baby Bloom. Right, and we're gonna cut this portion off right here. Oops. We're still gonna cut it off, but we're gonna try to put it around the quote. So let me grab. Actually can just come here and just add it here. Okay, we can actually put it all around that. So let's come here and see. All right, awesome. So to me, last week took so long, like it was the longest week ever in anticipation of it being a 3-day weekend. Did that happen for you too, where your week seemed so long, like it was a never-ending week? Because I certainly had the never-ending week. Okay, so we're gonna take this things to do with this little floral, and we're gonna put it over here. Okay. And then I have a little cluster that I want to put down as well. All right. So I'm going to use this sticker that says Plant Dreams and Grow a Happy Life. And I want to lay this washi strip right here. And then on top of it, I want to make like a mini scene. So tying in things that you see over like in this area. So we'll put that there, and then I wanted to add this little priority checkbox here, and we'll put us a quote or something on top of it. Okay. And because I want to continue that kind of little bling from that side, I'm going to come, I don't know if I want to put it here or up here. I think I want to put it up here. Let's go for up here. All right, and we also want to grab a handwritten sticker, a script sticker to put there. Okay. Down here on the bottom, we'll be adding this lovely checklist on Sunday. Okay. Perfect. I like that this sticker says play in the dirt. I think it's quite cute. Huh. Wonder if we can just put it right there. That will be fine. And then we'll put some more pops of green over here on this side. Okay. I feel like I need something else over there on that side. So we're gonna just add this gold to kind of bring everything together from there. So we are going to grab our sticker book here, and we are going to add a little something else to it. Okay. I think I'm going to add some more of that light green over there. Kind of to match. Let's see. Nope, that's not the green I want then. I really want it to match that green. And this is coming from the Minimalist sticker book. So we can take this and actually stick it down here. This is very important. All right, so we're gonna get this, the plan, and put the plan there. And I think that it is, okay, so y'all, I don't know how this Today smear is supposed to look, but I don't like how it looks. It looks crooked. Yeah, I don't like how that looks. I'm gonna take that off. That's gone. Maybe that's what's throwing it off for me. Okay. Now I'm definitely feeling this. That completes our spread for this week with this cute plant theme. I hope you enjoyed the plan with me. If so, 3 things for me: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.
Shining, shining like a diamond. I see